Hey readers and writers, let's start off by reviewing. Turn and talk with your groups. What is a main idea? Go ahead. Five, four, three, two, one. Hands up top. Good. Now, a main idea is what the text is about. So it's that central idea. If you remember from our song, the main idea is what the author wants to say. So now turn and talk with your group. What are supporting details? Go ahead. Five, four, three, two, one. Hands up top. Great. Our supporting details are the text evidence that supports the main idea. Remember those relevant pieces of information that we've pulled from the text to support what the author wants to say. So over the past 2 days, we have filled out a thinking map. So they are all complete. They're all filled out. They're all complete. We've worked to find the main idea, the key details. We went on to explain, remember we had that fluff section or that persuasion section, and then we very briefly introduced and concluded. So what I would like to do is take my thinking map, and I'm going to show you how we turn it into a summary, because today, by the end of class, I want you to be able to say, I can use my thinking map to write a summary about mysteries of alien visitors and abductions. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. This is the easy part. You've already put in the work. So from this point on, we are just taking what's in our thinking map and transferring it over into a summary. So go ahead and watch how we do that. I'm starting with an indent because this will be a paragraph, and I'm just going to start copying from here. The main topic of mysteries of alien visitors and abductions is alien sightings and interactions here on Earth. Right into the next sentence, our main idea. One of the author's main ideas is that throughout history, many people have reported seeing UFOs and meeting aliens. Right into our first key detail. Mac Brazel claims there was UFO wreckage and alien bodies on his land in 1947. Now, this is where we need to go down into the explain portion before moving on to the next key detail. Mac was able to describe in detail what the scene of the wreck looked like, which could make people believe it really was possible. Now we'll go into our next key detail. In 1952, George Adamski went into the desert and said he met an alien from Venus. Into the explain part. This was a bold claim to make. He even went on to share more about the interactions in an attempt to back up his story. Last key detail. In 1959, Howard Menger claimed to have met aliens from Venus, Mars, and even Saturn. Our last explaining. This claim connects to the idea that many people have reported meeting aliens. Now we can conclude by summarizing. Look how much writing we've put into this already. You've done this work, so now we're just gluing the pieces together. And we end up with a very nice summary. So let's conclude. These examples show that throughout history, many people have reported seeing UFOs and meeting aliens. Done. look at that summary. No new information today. You have already done that. So let's read this. The main topic of mysteries of alien visitors and abductions, and I would underline that because that is the title of the book. I could even go in and write the name of the author. In fact, I should. So the main topic of mysteries of alien visitors and abductions by author is alien sightings and interactions here on Earth. One of the author's main ideas is that throughout history, many people have reported seeing UFOs and meeting aliens. Mac Brazel claims there was UFO wreckage and alien bodies on his land in 1947. Mac was able to describe in detail what the scene of the wreck looked like, which could make people believe it really was possible. In 1952, George Adamski went into the desert and said he met an alien from Venus. This was a bold claim to make. He even went on to share more about the interactions in an attempt to back up his story. In 1959, Howard Menger claimed to have met aliens from Venus, Mars, and even Saturn. This claim connects to the idea that many people have reported meeting aliens. These examples show that throughout history, many people have reported seeing UFOs and meeting aliens. Wow. So it's your turn. On your own today, you're going to be turning your thinking map into a summary. This is going to be done on loose leaf paper. So I'm going to stop the video now and we're going to talk about the heading that I want on our paper. And I'll take some further questions. So happy reading and happy writing.